Okay guys, so in this video we will create a very simple shapefiles so we can add it to ArcMap and start to do some editing. So the way to create a shapefile is you open ArcCatalog, and remember in the previous video we show how we can connect to a location like folder connection. So I want you to create a folder called ArcGIS Mastery, and inside this folder you're going to create another folder called course data, and inside the course data I want you to create a folder. We're going to call it create shapefile. Inside this folder, when you open this folder, it's empty, but I want you to right click here and create new data type. We have different data types that we will go through along the course, but the simplest way to create data that we can use in ArcMap to draw some points or lines or polygons is using shapefile. So we are going to create 4 types of shapefiles: one for point, one for line, and one for parcels, and one for houses. We are going to use this 4 shapefiles to add it to ArcMap and draw a certain residential area on the beach. So we are going to zoom in to a certain area. We're going to open ArcMap. We're going to add some street map layer, and we are going to add these shapefiles after we create it. So the way to create the shapefile is to right click, you select a new, and you click shapefile. Here you need to name your shapefile. So for example, for the point shapefile we are going to call it ports, and then you selected point, and the options here we have point, polyline, polygon. Right now we are going to select point, and here we define the spatial reference for this shapefile by click edit, and we are going to choose projected world Mercator spatial reference by going to projected. We're going to go to world, and we go all the way down to WGS Web Mercator spatial reference, and we're going to click OK. We're not going to check any of these things right now. We just need a very simple shapefile, and we're going to click OK. So we are going to create another 3 shapefiles. One we will call it streets type line, one we will call it blocks type polygon, another one, and the last one we will call it houses type polygon, and you're gonna give it the same spatial reference. I want to show you that sometimes instead of selecting a spatial reference, you can actually import it from another shapefile. So let me show you this. So here we're gonna create our streets, and we are going to select it polyline, and we click to select the spatial reference. But instead of selecting from here, what I will do is to come here and say import. And this is an easy way to take the same spatial reference for any data that you already have. And when I select import, you can navigate to any kind of data you have, and once you select this data, it will automatically take this spatial reference that this data have. This way is easy. In case you have data exist already and you need to create a new type of data and add it on the map with the same previous data, you can import the spatial reference like using this method in an easy way. And now we're going to create OK, and we have our streets. We're going to do the same for the blocks and the houses. So now we created our 4 shapefiles, and in the next video we will open ArcMap and add some base layers and add this 4 shapefiles to our map so we can start do some drawing and some editing to the map. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.